Most gurus, bless their hearts, will tell you passive income is this slow, agonizing dance. Buy a dividend stock, then just wait 30 years, maybe eventually see a nickel. I tried that. I bought a handful of safe dividend ETFs, and my first quarterly payout was literally less than the cost of a coffee. It was a wake-up call. And honestly, I'm here to call that traditional advice exactly what it is: boring, outdated, and frankly, totally unnecessary. I actually went from zero to a cool $11,400 a month in semi-passive profit in under 6 months. How? By leveraging 3 digital systems that, I kid you not, feel almost unfair. Don't worry, nothing here is black hat. But once you witness the sheer speed and leverage of creating an asset once and selling it infinitely, you'll absolutely swear it should be illegal. This isn't about luck, it's about architecture. Stick around until the very end, and I'm going to hand you the exact copy and paste checklist I use to automate a staggering 80% of the work in just one weekend, so you can build the machine instead of being a cog in it. Picture this. You wake up on a Tuesday, still a little groggy maybe. You roll over and reach for your phone. You open your sales dashboard, and you see that overnight, you've made $450 while happily drooling on your pillow. That's more than most people pull in during an entire week at their day job. That's enough to cover your car payment and groceries, all before your feet even hit the floor. That's not me flexing, by the way. That's the undeniable power of strategically stacking digital products, affiliate funnels, and smart automation so they literally feed each other while you're off in dreamland. The feeling isn't just about the money, it's the profound sense of relief and freedom knowing you've built something that works for you. If you can follow a recipe to bake a cake, I promise you can absolutely repeat what I did. The ingredients and instructions are that clear. So what do you say? Let's roll up our sleeves and build that first engine right now. The digital product engine. All right, let's kick things off with what I genuinely believe is the closest thing the internet has to a bona fide money printer: digital products. Think about it. You create something once, and then you can sell it infinitely. No inventory, no shipping nightmares, no constant replenishing, and practically zero customer service headaches. My personal fastest win, the one that really opened my eyes, came from a simple 9-page Google Doc. I transformed it into a super handy Canva template pack specifically for Etsy sellers struggling with their product listings. Total build time? Seriously, about 4 hours on a Saturday. I threw it up on Gumroad for a modest $17, set the affiliate commission to a generous 90%. Yeah, you read that right. And still happily pocketed the upsell on a $97 order bump. The week 1 result? A mind-blowing 312 sales, netting me $5,504. The real secret here, the absolute trick, is picking a hyper-specific micro-problem that people are already happily paying to make disappear. Don't go broad. To find these, go to Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups in a niche you understand. Look for questions that start with, "How do I?" or "Does anyone have a template for?" People are literally telling you what they want to buy. Instead of "How to succeed on social media," think 30 days of Instagram captions for first-time real estate agents. Instead of "How to eat healthy," think a 7-day meal plan PDF for busy vegan college students. Or maybe email templates for freelance graphic designers to chase late payments. The narrower the pain point, the quicker someone whips out their wallet because you feel like a mind reader. Build your asset in Canva, export it as a PDF, upload to Gumroad, and just hit publish. Want to crank that speed to ludicrous mode? Bundle 3 of these micro products into a toolkit and price anchor it at $49. If one template is $17, 3 sold separately would be $51. By offering the bundle for $49, you're not only giving a slight discount, but framing it so the buyer feels like they're getting one product almost for free. Conversions will jump because buyers genuinely feel like they're stealing value. After your listing is live, run a short, sharp 7-day launch window with a tempting 50% coupon for those early bird buyers. This creates a frenzy of initial sales. Scarcity plus a sweet discount? That's pure momentum fuel. And momentum is what lights up algorithmic marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip. Once those initial sales start popping and you have a few positive reviews, switch to full price, ease off the ad spend, and let your SEO and the platform's algorithm do the heavy lifting. That single product, even now, 9 months later, still trickles in $30 to $50 a day. It's not Lambo money, no, but it absolutely buys my groceries while I'm out walking my dog. And that, my friends, is a pretty sweet deal. The affiliate marketing multiplier. Digital products give you that crucial first stream, but affiliate marketing? That's the multiplier, the turbo boost that stacks on top without needing any extra inventory from you. It's the second engine that runs on the exhaust fumes of the first. Here's a little trick. I piggyback every product I launch with a Notion workspace. This workspace is delivered as a bonus and contains my exact affiliate stack. The email software I use, like MailerLite, the mock-up tool for creating product images, like Placeit, the keyword tracker for SEO, like Ubersuggest, all the stuff I genuinely rely on. People buy the template, they open the bonus workspace to get organized, and boom, every tool link in there is my affiliate link. They're already in a buying mood because they just bought your solution and they trust your recommendations because your product proves you know what you're doing. Click-through rates on these embedded links often sit at an insane 42%. The best part? Recurring commissions. That email platform I recommend? It pays me $29 every single month for each user I refer.
Think about it. One single $17 template sale can easily equal 3 years of passive affiliate payouts from just one person. To accelerate this even further, I run a 5-day email challenge that teaches buyers how to truly leverage the template they just bought. Day 1's email helps them customize the template. Day 3 shows them how to promote it. Day 5 reveals an advanced trick. And each lesson ends with a soft, helpful pitch. Hey, if you want these same results even faster, this is the exact tool I use. Grab it through my link, and you'll also be supporting me at no extra cost. These challenges keep your audience warm, they build undeniable trust, and they push customer lifetime value through the roof without you ever feeling like a sleazy salesman. The math, honestly, is stupidly simple. Imagine your funnel brings in 100 new subscribers a week, with a modest 5% of them converting on a $29 per month recurring affiliate tool. That's 5 new signups a week. After just 1 month, that's 20 referrals paying you $29 each, which is $580 in new monthly recurring revenue. After 6 months, it's over $3,400. Every single month, before I've even poured my morning coffee. Want faster spikes? Target high-ticket programs with annual plans. We're talking web hosting, design software, or those fancy AI tools that often pay $200+ per sale. One well-crafted video review or a strategically placed blog post on a resources page can easily out-earn a whole month of ad revenue. The secret sauce, the real kicker, is congruence. Only promote what your digital product already proves you use and love. Authenticity equals conversion. And conversion, my friends, equals compounding passive checks. It's truly a beautiful thing. Automation layer. Set it once, get paid forever. Look, speed is absolutely useless if you're just trading one boss for another. The goal is freedom, not a new job as CEO of your own content sweatshop. That's precisely where automation swoops in like a total cheat code. For the non-techie, this is way simpler than it sounds. I connect Gumroad to MailerLite via Zapier. Think of Zapier as a simple translator. Its only job is to make 2 apps talk to each other. I just create a zap that says, when a new sale happens in Gumroad, then add that customer's email to this specific welcome sequence in MailerLite. Every single buyer gets tagged by the product they bought, then they're automatically dropped into a 30-email evergreen sequence. This sequence skillfully cross-sells my next template, recommends more affiliate tools, and shares valuable tips. Setup time? maybe 3 hours one afternoon. The payoff? Hands-off sales and affiliate conversions, literally for years. For traffic, I schedule 10 short-form videos a week. I film them in one batch, then use CapCut's auto captions to make them pop. Then, I recycle them effortlessly to TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts with a single click via a tool called repurpose.io. This tool automatically removes the watermarks and posts to each platform for me. It's a game changer. Each video, naturally, contains a clear call to action that points to a free lead magnet, like a small checklist or a mini template. The magnet feeds the email sequence, the sequence feeds the product sales and affiliate links, and the sales? Well, they feed my smile. If you truly want to feel like you've hacked reality, add a deadline funnel. This is a special automation you can set up with most modern email providers. After 72 hours in the welcome sequence, the subscriber gets a last chance email with a 20% coupon for your main digital product that expires in 24 hours. The urgency is real and customized for each person. The average lift from this single automated email? A solid 28% extra revenue with absolutely zero manual babysitting. Once that automation is live, the only job left is to pour more people into the top of the funnel, something the algorithm handles beautifully once your content engine is truly humming. And because everything is digital, your margins hover around an incredible 94%. The platforms handle VAT, file delivery, and even some basic support tickets. I'm not outsourcing to a VA farm. I'm outsourcing to elegant, efficient code that never asks for a day off. All right, feeling the possibilities? Want the exact automation map I drew on my whiteboard, plus my 5 highest converting email swipes and my private list of 10 hot micro niches for next year? I've put them all in a free Google Drive folder for you. The link is right there in the description. Go grab it, clone it, and honestly, thank me later. Scaling without extra hours. Fast is fun, don't get me wrong, but scale is where passive income truly graduates to freedom income. How do you double digital product velocity without doubling your work hours? I follow one simple rule. Every new product must logically relate to an old product. This way, your existing email list of buyers warms up instantly. For example, my first product was Etsy listing templates. My second was an Etsy shop financial tracker in Google Sheets. My third was a Notion content calendar for Etsy sellers. See the ladder? Each product solves the next problem for the same person. My previous Etsy template buyers receive first access to the new product because they already trust my workflow assets. These internal cross-sell campaigns, they average an impressive 22% open rate and an 8% conversion on a warm list that's excited to hear from me. Another powerful multiplier is licensing. Once a product passes a certain milestone, say $3,000 in total sales, I list it on PLR, private label rights marketplaces, selling the commercial rights for about $97. This is brilliant because it gives me a fresh cash injection from a product that's already mature. More importantly, other creators now buy my template, rebrand it, and do the marketing for me. And the best part? I still keep all the back-end affiliate commissions because my tool recommendations and links remain embedded deep inside the files. It's like having a free, invisible sales team. Finally, paid ads, but only retargeting, and only when you're profitable. I spend a mere $10 a day on meta ads, specifically aimed at video viewers who watched 75% of my TikTok but didn't click through, or people who visited my Gumroad page but didn't buy. Retargeting pools are tiny and hyper-qualified, so the cost per lead is pennies, and the ROI often hits 6x within 2 weeks. Reinforce the loop. Every new buyer joins that affiliate-powered email engine, making your business a self-feeding fire that grows beautifully while you binge Netflix. Mindset shift. Systems over goals. Everyone, and I mean everyone, asks which app prints money or what's the hottest product to sell. But almost no one asks the most important question. Which habit keeps the printer from jamming? The answer, my friend, is systems thinking. Goals are fragile destinations like, I want to hit 10K months. Systems are the durable, repeatable processes that get you there. A system is, I will create one micro product every 3 weeks, upload it, plug it into the evergreen funnel, and review my 3 core metrics for 30 minutes each Sunday. Systems are, admittedly, a bit boring. They're predictable. But the results? They feel absolutely illegal.
It's like being a pilot running a pre-flight checklist. It's not the most thrilling part of the journey, but it's the part that guarantees you'll get off the ground safely and reach your destination. You only need to track 3 numbers, seriously. List growth, front-end conversion rate, and 30-day subscriber lifetime value. That's it. If list growth stalls, you know your top of funnel is broken, so you need to post more short-form clips or create a better lead magnet. If your sales page conversion rate lags below 2%, you know you need to tighten up the headline or add more testimonials. If your 30-day subscriber lifetime value dips, you know you need to insert a higher ticket affiliate offer or a clever new upsell into your email sequence. Ignore everything else. Complexity is the ultimate enemy of momentum. You don't need 20 income streams. You need 3 strong streams that feed each other until the cash compounding looks like a broken meter. Protect your time like it's the last slice of pizza at a frat party. Every single task you consider must answer this one simple question. Will this activity still be paying me 3 months from now? Writing an evergreen email sequence? Yes. Creating a digital product? Yes. Replying to every single random Instagram comment? No. If the answer is no, you have 3 choices. Automate it, delegate it, or just delete it. I used to spend hours a week designing unique thumbnails for every video. The answer to the question was a hard no. Now I use a simple Canva template. Task deleted. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about front-loading the right work, then letting the elegant physics of digital leverage handle the rest. Passive income that moves at light speed isn't some far-fetched fantasy you see on Instagram. It's a proven, repeatable formula. It's an engine you can build. Build a micro-digital product that solves a specific, nagging pain for a specific group of people. Layer recurring affiliate commissions inside that ecosystem so every customer becomes more valuable over time. And finally, wrap the entire thing in smart, simple automation that sells for you while you sleep. Rinse, cross-sell, scale. I took these 3 fundamental steps and sprinted from 0 to over 5 figures a month faster than my friends waited for their tax refunds. The only thing truly stopping you is that little voice in your head, the one that hesitates and decides this stuff is too good to be true. Guess what? It is good, it is true, and it's waiting for you on the other side of your very first publish button. Smash that button, grab the free checklist and automation map from the description below, and if you want to see the detailed breakdown of how I plan to take these same systems and turn them into a 6-month sprint to a 100K net profit, then make sure you watch the next video popping up on your screen right now.